Yeah, at approximately 9 o'clock this morning, we've had high winds all night here in Mission. About 9 o'clock this morning, we were paged out for a number of trees down on wires. Most significant is the ones here on Lougheed Highway in Silverdale. Lougheed Highway now is completely closed eastbound and westbound, as is Silverdale in the area right behind me here. So we've, unfortunately, with the resources for BC Hydro at this time, we're not able to reopen these roads until it's safe to do so.
Any idea how long it could be?
Hydro has informed us that they're not sure of what the timing will be of the reopening of the roads, but Lougheed Highway has a number of large cottonwood trees down across it, so it could be well into tomorrow before Lougheed Highway even opens up. So.
What kind of trees are going out mainly?
Well, we've a lot of. We seem to have a various number of trees, from live trees to dead trees that are coming down. So it seems to be a mixture of all. And as you can tell, the winds right now are still gusting fairly significantly. So we probably will encounter some more trees down before the day's over.
What's the drivers do?
Right now, coming in and out of Mission at this point in time, the only access is along Dutney Trunk Road on the north end of Mission.